UVA in sunlight penetrates the dermis, causing photoaging and wrinkles. UVB causes sunburn and erythema, and long-term accumulation increases the risk of skin cancer. The UPF of ordinary summer clothing fabrics is usually only 5 to 10, far below the requirement for sun protection. Therefore, fabrics for sun-protective clothing, sportswear, and outdoor apparel must undergo anti-UV finishing. However, many dyeing mills focus only on the initial UPF value at the point of production, neglecting wash durability. Consumers may find that after just 2 or 3 washes, their sun-protective clothing loses much of its effectiveness. This happens because water-sensitive anti-UV agents are gradually washed out, and the fabric fibers lose their ability to absorb UV radiation. Texnology UV Pro Durable Anti-UV Finishing Agent from Lianzhuang Technology uses specially formulated UV absorbers that bond firmly with polyester, nylon, and other fibers, offering excellent wash durability. Fabrics treated with it achieve a UPF of 50+, and maintain outstanding anti-UV performance even after 20 or 50 home launderings. By choosing durable anti-UV finishing, dyeing mills can produce outdoor apparel that truly withstands both sunlight and washing, providing consumers with long-lasting UV protection.